knows that left hand punch. That's what
Pacquiao landing a left in there. Velasquez here. This is the first moment at which Velasquez was hurt. Look at the perfect right hook. As Velasquez was stepping in, Pacquiao picking his spot and nailing a barrage of straight left hands following that. And referee Lou Filippo watching closely to be certain that Velasquez was still throwing, still defending himself. To Velasquez, who's not unlike Erik Morales really in style, an arm length advantage.
Welcome back sa ating channel mga boss. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. September 10, 2005 sa Staples Center, Los Angeles, California, USA. Naganap ang laban ng ating pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao laban sa pambato ng Mexico na si Hector Velasquez Martinez. Sa laban na ito mga boss ay makikita niyong sinisigawan ng ating pambato na animoy minamalit ito at hindi pinagkataan ng konting respeto. Kaya naman, katakot-takot na parusa ang sinapit nito sa kamay ng ating pambato. Ang ating pambato mga boss na si Manny Pacquiao ay may kartadang 39 na panalo, may 3 talo, may 2 tabla at 30 dito ay tinapos via knockout. Samantala ang Meksikanong si Hector Velasquez naman mga boss ay may mas malawak na kartadang 42 panalo, may 10 talo, may 2 tabla at 31 dito ay tinapos via knockout at may 4 na talo ito via knockout. Wag na natin patagalin to mga boss, bakbakan agad.
He's not really around Pacquiao. Would confess that produces contact so far.
Oh. So far, Velasquez's ability, so far he hasn't been able to do that because of the low head movement.
And bangs Pacquiao twice to the body. Velasquez taking it right to Manny Pacquiao in round one, and Pacquiao looks as though he didn't exactly expect this.
No, and for the most part, Pacquiao is doing things. He's still trying to land that.
Pacquiao landed a right. Velasquez landed a right hand after earlier driving Pacquiao back with a left. Just a little bit more than 2 minutes into round one. Manny Pacquiao wants to fight.
I think this Mexican crowd.
As if to say he's trying to butt me with his skull. There's a big right hand by Velasquez. Pacquiao tries to answer straight away with a hard left hand. And there's a good left from Pacquiao. Velasquez holds his hands out as if to say that didn't hurt.
And actually headbutts may be a big factor in this fight the way it's going.
Southpaw against conventional fighter, always a danger of a headbutt.
Shape. Pacquiao is the wild card gym where Freddie Roach trains Pacquiao, and watch him train on a fighter named Ruben Contreras. The story there was that after Valoria knocked out Contreras in the 6th round, won the battle for his life. He's getting better, and Valoria
Take advantage of all the Filipino fans.
box numbers through round 5. Pacquiao's landed 109 power shots. Velasquez, look here, this is the first moment at which Velasquez was hurt. Look at the perfect right hook. As Velasquez was stepping in, Pacquiao picking his spot and nailing him with that right hook.
The punch that you don't see is the punch that always hurts you.
And then a barrage of straight left hands following that. And referee Lou Filippo watching closely to be certain that Velasquez was still throwing, still defending himself. When Velasquez went down, Filippo gave him the count and realized that the Mexican fighter had had enough of Pacquiao's constant storm of power punches.
I'm looking very much forward to his fight with
I'll bet
Morales.
you are. Bumper for the official particulars on the Pacquiao knockout.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video ngayon mga boss. Kaya kung ngayon ka palang napadpad sa ating munting channel, mas maganda kung nakasubscribe ka na para lagi kang ma-notify sa ating mga bagong uploads. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Mabuhay, ingat po, and God bless!